We're here at the completed project in San Roque in Santa Barbara, and we installed a succulent garden here with the flagstone walkway with 3 inches of California gold gravel. It used to be a mess and a chicken coop right underneath the orange tree. However, as you can see now, it is finished and completed. So we started by clearing the entire area of the debris, the chicken coop, and any old plants. We actually reused some of the client's plants, such as the agaves, as you see around the perimeter. And we started, after we cleared everything, we graded. And once everything was graded and smoothed out, we installed landscape fabric. And what that does, it helps prevent weeds from coming up the surface, and it helps to keep a barrier between the soil and the gravel. We ensured that we use succulents per the client's requests. They wanted a drought-tolerant landscape, so they require minimal water. So the clients are always involved in the process. That way we can ensure once the job is completed, it meets or exceeds their expectations. That's what we hope for, and that's what we always strive for. So now we can maintain this succulent garden for them and also improve the rest of their garden over time. And I can see the results already. The next step, what I recommend them is installing mulch in all the planter beds for soil improvement and reduce water and prevent weeds. And it'll definitely spruce up the home garden. It'll look much nicer, tighter, and neater. See if they could do it, section by section. So we may start doing, this section for the next project. So they can stay within their budget and their means, and not necessarily do the whole landscape, and then they can enjoy it, while the rest of the yard gets worked on over time. And the neat thing is, you get instant results right away.